65 million years ago, Earth witnessed the final day of the prehistoric kings. No creature understood what was happening. In just one day, a world once filled with life became a graveyard. The first survivors were already walking into extinction. As sunlight vanished, the planet's food chain began to collapse. Even the oceans, cradle of the first life on Earth, could not escape the catastrophe. The atmosphere itself had turned against the Earth. Millions of lives never had the chance to be born. The ruler of the planet was now only a shadow in the apocalypse. But the most terrifying part had only just begun. Only 24 hours later, global temperatures began to collapse. When the sunlight disappeared, the forests died with it. Survival had become more important than the pack. The world no longer had a sunrise. The rivers themselves had become poison. They kept walking, even though they no longer knew where to go. Even the last kings were beginning to despair. In the apocalypse, no laws remained. It did not know its species had only days left. As the giants fell, a new age quietly began. After 7 days, Earth entered the longest winter in its history. A place once filled with life, now held only silence. The greatest predator on Earth, had become a corpse still walking. The poisoned sky had begun killing everything below it. Life beneath the oceans was disappearing as well. When food vanished, instinct became a monster. For the first time in millions of years, Earth became quiet. In the darkness below, the smallest creatures found a chance to survive. The age of giants was coming to an end. The extinction of one world became the beginning of another. One year after the catastrophe, the planet began to change once again. Life always finds a way to return. The prehistoric kings had vanished from the Earth forever. As the giants disappeared, the small ones began to thrive. Nature is merciless, but it never stops rebuilding. The new age would not belong to strength, but to adaptation. Every fossil became a reminder of a world that once ruled the planet. After endless darkness, the light finally returned. From creatures this small, the future of humanity would eventually begin.